Woodworking is an art that blends craftsmanship with precision. But even the best woodworkers need the right tools to take their projects to the next level. Today, we're diving into must-have woodworking tools that will transform your workshop. Let's get started. Number 1. Milescraft 1318 Drillmate is a perfect companion for accurate drilling in both straight and angled positions. It works on bored edges and round stock, attaching to all 3/8 and 1/2 inch cordless drills, and comes with a 3/8 inch capacity chuck and key. With angle settings at 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, and 90 degrees, and centering channels for stock up to 3 inches, it helps complete projects quickly and accurately every single time. Number 2. Experience precision with the Kerriier Japanese wood chisel set, perfect for beginners and professionals alike. This set includes 3 popular blade sizes of 9mm, 15mm, and 24mm for versatile tasks like furniture building, carving, and mortising. Made with high-grade Japanese steel, each chisel features a laminated soft iron edge and hollow ground back with chamfered sides, ensuring clean, effortless cuts every single time on challenging wood projects for perfect performance. Number 3. Discover the Saker Woodworking Scriber Marking Line Ruler, an adjustable aluminum alloy T-square that effortlessly combines measuring length and angles. Its clear, laser-engraved scales and adjustable protractor allow precise markings from 0 to 48 centimeters. Lightweight and sturdy, this tool is perfect for carpentry, engineering, and artistic design. It even comes with a red mechanical pencil and extra refills, making it an all-in-one ultimate solution for efficient, dependable craftsmanship. Number 4. Discover the Kerriier Durable Pocket Hole Jig 320, a precision tool that easily creates strong pocket hole joints for various projects. It works with materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch thick, making it perfect for common DIY tasks. Designed for indoor and outdoor use, its anti-slip base and adjustable spacing ensure a secure, foolproof setup. This kit comes with classic face clamps and wood clamps to handle tight spaces effortlessly. Number 5. Upgrade your sanding setup with this 104 pieces oscillating tool detail sanding pads kit. It includes 2 triangle and 2 finger sanding pad holders, 50 pads each for triangle and finger applications, plus an assortment of sandpaper ranging from 60 to 240 grits. Designed with a durable carbon steel backing and easy hook and loop attachment, these pads work great on wood, plaster, and metal surfaces, ensuring a smooth finish for any project. Number 6. Meet the Thorvald 6-in-1 Carpenter Square, an all-in-one tool combining a square, protractor, ruler, marking gauge, drill gauge, and wrench. Made from durable 4mm aluminum with 1/16 inch precision, this versatile tool features laser-engraved inscriptions and includes a 2-in-1 Carpenter pencil with a removable grip. It delivers exceptional accuracy and convenience for any DIY or professional woodworking project. Engineered for perfection, this tool simplifies complex measurements and enhances every build. Number 7. The Joris Connectable Contour Gauge is perfect for capturing the shape of any object. Combine 5-inch and 10-inch pieces for a 15-inch gauge, ideal for tight spaces or larger surfaces. It features dual inch and centimeter markings, a thin 0.05-inch blade, and adjustable tension for accuracy. Effortlessly trace and trim odd shapes for flooring, cabinetry, or DIY projects, making it the go-to tool for craftsmen and designers. A truly craftsman's must-have tool. Number 8. Jost Vies's LV4 is the perfect home workshop companion. Made from heavy-duty gray iron castings rated at 30,000 psi, it offers a secure grip with a 4.5-inch jaw width and 3-inch opening. Its swivel base rotates 240 degrees and features a large anvil work surface for extra support. Mount it securely to your bench, tighten items safely, and release them by turning the handle. This vise makes projects efficient and secure. Number 9. Proceal Digital Angle Finder Protractor is a must-have tool for woodworking. Its large LCD shows clear angle readings from 0 to 999.9 with plus or minus 0.3 degrees accuracy and 0.1 degrees resolution. The locking screw holds any desired angle, while the 2-in-1 stainless steel ruler and protractor allow 360-degree measurements with both metric and standard scales. Battery included automatically powers off after inactivity, offering long life and low energy consumption. Built for enduring performance. Number 10. Lexavon Aluminum Miter Saw Protractor is a 7-inch, rust-proof angle finder engineered for precise measurements. Crafted from CNC machined anodized aluminum, it features laser-engraved scales and a swiveling Teflon O-ring mechanism. 2 scales transfer work angles directly to the saw, eliminating guesswork. Ideal for crown molding, trim work, plumbing, and carpentry projects, this reliable tool guarantees accurate miter cuts each time, ensuring you do it right on the very first try. Number 11. Experience precise cutting with the Kerriier Japanese pole saw 9.5-inch, designed for a larger cutting area and improved efficiency versus a standard 6-inch saw. Its durable 9.5-inch SK5 high-carbon steel blade features 3-sided ground teeth ensuring long-lasting sharpness. The lightweight beech and rattan handle delivers comfortable control. Dual cutting edges, 10 TPI for rip cuts and 17 TPI for detailed cross cuts, offer versatile performance for all your woodworking projects. Number 12. Experience unmatched safety and control with the Jig GRR Ripper GR1003D table saw push block. This tool provides a powerful, high-friction grip for extreme hold, preventing kickback and protecting your hands. It delivers remarkably precise cutting and control within 1/4-inch ripping and is fully adjustable for easy handling. Designed for small stock on table saws, router tables, jointers, and bandsaws, it offers true ultimate 3-directional force for total workpiece control. Number 13. Discover the Cowood router bit set of 15 pieces featuring a durable alloy steel body and solid hardened blades built to withstand heavy-duty use. The anti-kickback design and 1/4-inch shank ensure stability with less vibration for safe, precise routing. Perfect for wood, MDF, particle board, and plywood. These bits come in a sturdy wooden case for easy storage and travel. Just avoid cutting metal or non-wood materials for every project. Number 14. Gomake metal concealed hinge jig is built from high-quality aluminum alloy for precise cabinet hinge installation. Its double bearings ensure smooth, continuous hole drilling, while the carbide-tipped 35mm bit provides durable precision. The quick clamp secures the jig firmly, and its integrated dust bracket connects to a 1 3/8-inch vacuum hose to keep the work area clean. Versatile for various hinge offsets, it includes multiple drill guides for essential screw spacing. Number 15. The Milescraft 1312 drill block features hardened steel guides in sizes 1/8, 3/16, 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2 inch to deliver dependable precision. It provides built-in vertical and horizontal center lines for accurate alignment and is equipped with non-slip feet that keep it securely in place without marring your work surface. A built-in V-groove also allows effortless drilling on round stock or corners, making it ideal for any home or woodworking project. Number 16. Vivore Pocket Hole Jig Kit features an adjustable depth range from 1/2 to 1.5 inches with dual metric marks. Slide the marked guide for precise drilling. The titanium-plated 2-step drill bit with a stop ring ensures consistent, smooth cuts, while its chip removal outlet prevents splashing. The detachable guide block converts to an angled clamp, offering versatility and portability. It's an essential tool for pocket hole joinery with a C-clamp.